guys, this is my dorm tour. This is a very highly requested video from a lot of my friends, and I wanted to give you guys a tour of my room. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so this is what my door looks like. And when you walk in, this is the first thing you see. So this is my door. I got this at Home Goods, and I got this at Hobby Lobby. It was on sale, and it's super cute. I just hang on some command strips. And then right here, I just kind of hang my lanyards and everything on my door just because it's easier. I have this really cool mirror, so when I try my outfits on and everything. And I got this at Home Goods, and this is my closet. It's pretty big. I have one of the biggest closets on campus, so it's pretty cool. This side just has like all my amenities, my coats, my laundry. My dresses are over here, and then my shirts are over there, and then all my laundry things and just trash bins that came with the room, but I don't really like those trash bins, so I have my own ones that I have out. So that's one side of the closet. This is the other side. That's all my stuff up there. And then these are all my shirts and sweaters. And that's where my shoe rack is. And I just kind of keep my caddy right here. Looks a mess though. This is where I keep my area when I want to eat. And then over to my favorite side of the room. These are my drawers, and then this leads up to my vanity. So this is my makeup area. It's where all my perfume, brushes, makeup palettes, everything's in there. I keep all my makeup in here. And I got these at Home Goods. Basically everything in my room is actually from Home Goods. Here's me. And then I just have some sayings right here. And then I have some pink flowers, some more sayings, all my face amenities. And then I just got this for my mom as a care package. I got this also from Home Goods. And then I got this trash can from Ross. It's pretty cute. It was on clearance for only $5. It has these little scuff marks, but I didn't really care about that. And then moving over here, we have my lounging area. I got this at Target. These pillows from Home Goods, blanket from Home Goods, and the pig from Ross. A cute little coin pig. And then I got this rug from Home Goods. I got this from Home Goods. And it's really cute because I can store things in it, which is really nice when I don't want anything to look bad. And I got these danglies from Hobby Lobby. Those are my lights. I got that from Hobby Lobby. And I got that from the dollar store actually. And this is my view basically. My view is of Global Scholars, Regents, and the women's soccer field. So it's really great because I can just watch soccer from my room instead of having to go pay for the game, which is awesome. That's my fan over there. It's a really nice fan. And I just kind of hang all my bags and my backpack right there. Moving on to over here is my desk area. I have this really nice comfortable marble pillow I got from Target. My planner, my books, water bottle up there, and then I have just cute little amenities right there and school supplies. And then over here, let's put some light over here. Over here I have my bananas, my water filter, and then I got this from Target, and I got this from Home Goods. And I just put my cups in here. It's pretty cute. My plates and my smoothie blender. And then right here I have my refrigerator. It's pretty cute. I have just like some Thanksgiving things because it's Thanksgiving time. The first day of fall was yesterday, so I love magnets and decorating. So I have this marble whiteboard, weekend vibes because it's Sunday. Just my little freezer. I have fruit in there, and then obviously food in there. Over there, I just have a little storage unit for my washer. And then that's my light. And over here, is just a compartment area I can put my stuff, and it's pretty nice. And I have just little decorations. Pretty cute. I really like my room. It's really nice. That's my bed up there. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to finish this video like I wanted to when I originally recorded it, but I thought I would end up making an outro now for you guys. Be sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for giving me your time. Have a super blessed day, and keep being the beautiful people you are. Bye!